Hi everyone, today we'll be explaining how to swap AVAX for BioFi in the Krptic wallet. First, select balance at the bottom, and here you will see all the tokens in your wallet and the balances of each token. Select AVAX and then select the double-sided rotating arrow. This will take you to our swap page. The top box shows what you are swapping from, and the bottom shows what you are swapping to. In order to select BioFi in the secondary option, click Select in the top right-hand corner of the second box. Here you will see all the tokens you currently have available to swap to in your Krptic wallet. Select BioFi. This will add BioFi to the secondary slot. Now back up top, select how much AVAX you would like to swap to BioFi. This will show how much you're going to receive in BioFi, and click Next. Confirm your swap on the next page. The transaction will begin. Once the transaction is completed, you will see your AVAX become BioFi, and it'll show you how much BioFi you currently have in your wallet. And there you go, you've swapped AVAX to BioFi.